Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys my steps on how to prepare the nail bed before an acrylic application. As you can see, these are a few clients of mine that have been coming back after 3 weeks and their nails are still very perfect. They have no liftings. So yeah, keep watching and I will be explaining. The very first step is pushing back the cuticles. This might look like it's very painful, but it's not if you do it carefully. Your client won't be hurt. So basically, I kind of just push very gentle, as slow as possible. It's fast in the video, but it's as slow as possible, so that it doesn't hurt the client. And this is basically just getting me ready for the next step, because I want to be able to get under the cuticles to get any dead skin that might be stuck there, because if it's left there, you will basically get a few liftings, and we are trying to not get any liftings. So for the next step, I'm going in with the diamond nail drill bit. Right now it's in a forward motion. I like to do forward motion first. When you're doing this, try to just guide the drill bit, not push into the cuticle, because that will hurt the client. So yeah, just guide it, and I'm just going to finish the side forward, and then I'm just going to switch it up to the reverse for the other side. Now I'm gonna cut her cuticles. You can do this with a scissor if you feel comfortable with a scissor, or with a cuticle nipper if that's what you prefer. All right, now we are in the fourth step. So the fourth step is to pass the sanding band on the nail until the nail is dehydrated. You want to make sure that you get in the corners pretty good, as soon as same thing as in the cuticles. Like, you're not gonna touch the cuticle or hurt them, but you want to get pretty close there, because you're trying to avoid liftings. And yeah, just try to dehydrate it until you don't see that the nail is shining anymore. And you would want to just guide the bead also. You don't want to push it on the nail, because that is pretty bad for the nail and the client, because that will hurt them. Okay, so I work with nail forms, but if you use tips, you are going to want to glue them on the nail first. And if the glue by any chance touched the nail bed, you're going to want to pass the sanding band a little bit where it touched it, just so it's dehydrated again. And then you're just going to go in with your dehydrator if you'd like to. It's very optional. I usually never use it, but you can if you want to. And a primer, you can do 1 or 2 coats of primer if prefer. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much what I do for a nail preparation. You can always cut it short to, like, you can always skip the first and the second step, even the third step if you want, if you're trying to work faster. But with these steps, you won't be getting any liftings on the nail, so you can be sure of that if you follow every single step that I gave in this video. Before, I used to not do all of these steps. I used to skip the 3 first steps, which is pushing, going under the cuticle, and cutting the cuticles. I used to just go in with the sanding band right away. I used to do it because I wanted to work faster, and my clients liked it when I used to work faster. But there would still be a few liftings on. I would hate that. So that's why after I started adding the first 3 steps, my clients have been coming back with no liftings. But yeah, you can ignore anything that I'm doing after with the acrylic. I just added it so I can talk a little bit more. But yeah, if you are trying to end the liftings, this is what I recommend to do. You know, don't worry about that it's gonna take you longer. You always want to give your clients the best so that they keep coming back, and that's exactly what I did. I don't care if they want me to work faster. This is how long I take, and guess what? Your nails are gonna last a very long time. So yeah, you know, you do whatever you feel comfortable with. This is what I feel comfortable with, and I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe, and if you can, please leave a comment down below on what you think I should do next, and what do you think about this video too. I would love to know. Thank you for watching.